Hi everyone, how are you today? Sunday, March 11th, the last week before we go to spring break, and we're moving from Deviant into media and technology. So this week you get to think about the media and the use of technology and how that helps us become human, and even kind of think about how the media shapes us in a way that distorts our perceptions of reality. I think certainly in the last year or so, if you hadn't been paying attention to it prior, there's been a lot of talk about media and whether or not it's providing accurate information, or if it's biased, or if it's bought. And so you get to think about that through your reading, but you also get to watch a film called Project Censored the Movie. And Project Censored is a media research project that I'm a part of at Sonoma State, is where it started, but it's branched out to multiple campuses across the United States and a few that are abroad. And I do work with students on that project all the time, where we highlight stories that aren't being covered in the corporate media. So some of you that are in other classes with me have already done some of that. Maybe some of you, like Katie and Christina, you might want to speak to that in your post this week so that people know a little bit more about it. It might be interesting for other students in the intro class to learn about it. And then if anyone's interested in participating, I'd be happy to speak with you independently, either office hours or email, whatever works. But just kind of thinking about how the media is such a large socializing agent in our lives, and then the ways in which it's not really doing its job is what this project is about. So I hope you enjoy the film, and I hope that you have a lovely week. And this will be our last post until spring break. So next week I won't send you a message, and there won't be work for you to do. And the next module, the social stratification module, as you can see, will unlock on March 26th. So you'll have a week break. So you earned it. Go enjoy it. And I look forward to connecting with you on the discussion posts. Take care.